Hey everyone, how are you doing? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. Just a quick introduction for this video. You will not stay in my car the entire video. I'm actually going to be taking you to my kitchen where we're going to be doing an unboxing, and it is going to be a specialty box from Sip Spy. If you haven't seen any of the other tea videos on my channel, you would have missed out on knowing what Sip Spy is. Sip Spy is a monthly tea subscription discovery box. It's $15 per month with free shipping in the United States. However, if you go to the Sip Spy website and you click on the shop button at the top, it will take you to a page where you'll see tea boxes. Click on that button and it will take you to all the specialty tea boxes that Sip Spy has to offer. They have tea boxes to help boost your immunity, tea boxes to help boost your energy. They have chai tea boxes, and this one is a tea box for dad. This is a Father's Day tea box. So let me take you to the unboxing of it. I will open it up, show you everything that I got inside, and then I will pick one of the teas to steep on the channel. If you go to the Sip Spy website and you click on the shop button, then click on the tea boxes button, you will see all their specialty teas that they have to offer. They have teas to help increase your mood, teas to help with your sleep. They have a glow box. They have energizing tea box. They had a Mother's Day tea box. And this tea box is for your father. Happy Father's Day, best dad ever box. You can get this box as a one-time gift for $15, or you can give them a 3-month, 6-month, or a 12-month Sip Spy box gift card. The teas that are included in this box are the Paris tea by Harney & Sons, Turmeric, Peppermint, and Clove tea by Tipson tea, Coconut Mango Oolong tea by Stash tea, and Maca Chocolate tea by Teeccino tea. Let's crack open the box and we will see what we have inside. The teas come to you in this nice cardboard compact box that says Sip Spy on it, and then when you open it up, there's always an informational card in each box. All the boxes from Sip Spy come with an informational card. It tells you what's inside the box. So for example, this is a Happy Father's Day tea box. So the first card on top of the box is this Best Dad Ever card, and then you flip that over. A really cute things. It says Happy Father's Day. It has some funny jokes there, so it's really cute card to give to your dad. Shows him how much you appreciate him. And then there's always an informational card inside these boxes that tell you exactly the teas that are included in the box. We have some of the Paris tea from Harney & Sons. The card also shows you the ingredients, how to steep the tea, and also the caffeine level. There is turmeric, peppermint, and clove tea in the box, Coconut Mango Oolong tea, and Maca Chocolate tea. Sip Spy also usually includes promo codes which allow you to buy the teas at a discount if you really like them. I really like that because I've been turned on to so many different teas that I love from different companies. The Stash Coconut Mango tea, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. The turmeric, peppermint, and clove tea, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. The Maca Chocolate Dark Roast tea, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. Sip Spy also included some of their reusable muslin cloth tea bags, so there must be some loose tea in this box. And the Harney & Sons Paris Black tea, I have a large packet of loose tea. So that is my Father's Day box. I think for today I'm going to try the Stash tea. So let's boil some water and steep this tea. Another great box, a great box for dad for Father's Day, especially if you have a dad in your life that loves to drink tea. These boxes are great because they give a variety of teas for you to test out. That way you don't get bored. And for someone like me who loves variety, this is a perfect box. I will leave a link to Sips By and this box down in my description box. I'll also leave a promo code for their monthly tea box. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.